The active wire feed process, AWP, is the next step evolution of the Towers product line. The active wire feed process revolutionizes positive and negative wire feed control and synchronizes that with the industry-leading waveform control of Towers to advance even further low spatter welding performance. The first image was taken from a conventional welding process using high-speed video. In conventional welding, the wire is fed at a constant speed. In CO2 welding, a phenomenon known as arc reaction force is present which attempts to prevent the generation and release of short circuits. This is evident by the large amounts of spatter caused by unwanted and very small short circuits during the weld. To eliminate these unwanted short circuits, the active wire feed process synchronizes the positive and negative feeding of the welding wire with the welder waveform output. Short circuits occur during positive feed and are released during the negative feed. This mechanical generation and release of the short suppresses the unwanted short circuits even while using CO2 shielding gas. The second image is of the active wire feed process using high-speed video. The outcome is a high-quality, extremely low spatter welding result. The active wire feed process greatly reduces the amount of spatter generated during CO2 welding by 90% at 200 ampere or less, and by around 75% between 200 to 250 ampere.